How you doing, guys? Welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlog, and welcome back to the lockdown Volvo build video. We are on part 6, I do believe. Yes, so in today's video we are going to be putting together the radiator for the engine. We're going to be mounting the engine into the chassis, drive shafts, and maybe putting the AdBlue exhaust system and stuff like that on there. Yeah, we'll see how far we get. Anyway, just a massive thanks to everyone who's leaving comments, everyone who's taken this build on board. You know, obviously I'm a truck vlogger, so the amount of people out there that are embracing this is great, and it's nice to see that I can do some different content on the channel and you're all open to it, so thank you very much for that. It's much appreciated. So yeah, let's get back into the build and see what we can put together. Alright then, guys, it's time for our mid video update, and things are coming along nicely. We've got the engine all fully mounted in the chassis. We've got all the radiator cowl on there, so that's all looking really good now. We've got our AdBlue tank that's coming along nicely. I'm quite happy with that. Oh, I just remembered. Do you notice I've got the got some little decals on the engine? It makes it look a little bit nicer. We've got our exhaust system that's coming along nice with a little metal part on there. But yeah, all these parts we've just finished painting them all up now. Another part of the AdBlue tank, an extra little pipe. And then we got the plates that go on top. Obviously the catwalk plate and the plate that goes over the exhaust emission system. But this is another great tip that I picked up. These parts have got nothing you can grab hold of with the crocodile clips. So what I do with these is get some double-sided sticky tape onto a lollipop stick. And these things don't go anywhere. They're brilliant. But yeah, no, it's looking really good. I've got another little special part as well, which I'm going to save till the end of the video. Might be a little bit controversial, but I just want to put my my own personal little stamp on this. So I'm doing a couple of little things that aren't included. So yeah, that's where we are for now. I'm going to carry on, get these bits fitted onto the chassis, and then we are starting, I don't know, what are we starting? What have we got after that? Oh, it looks like the cab suspension, air tanks. Yeah, then we get on with that. Right, I'll catch you in a bit. There we go, guys. I think we have done with this episode. We've done 3 or 4 stages, but it's been really slow progress. It doesn't actually look like I've done a lot, but there's actually a lot of work gone into this bit. So yeah, it's taken a little bit more time, and I apologise for not getting these builds out quicker. But now I'm back up to work. It's quite difficult to get the work done, to get the trucking vlogs, and to get the build vlogs out. So yeah, trying to get them done as fast as I can. But as you can see, the engine's in. On this side we've got the battery box and the air tank on, and we've also got a drive shaft in there now. On the other side we have the AdBlue fitted, and we also have the all the exhaust box and everything on there. I did say that I was doing a special little edition, which I've done. I don't know if you can see it there, but this plate here I have done in a carbon fibre. So I don't know if you can see it there, but it looks really good as well. You can see all the Volvo and all the detail still stands out. So I'm really happy with how that's turned out. But I'm going to be putting some other carbon fibre details on here as well. So I'm going to do some bits of the interior on carbon fibre. We've also got the A-frame on here now with the Susies attached to, so that's looking good. We're making some really good progress. I'm happy with it, really happy with it. So yeah, all good. Oh look, and what we've also got, we've got the exhaust on there, look, and it's got a metal plate over the top, and it's actual metal. So yeah, but yeah, no, it's looking really, really good. I'm really happy with it. But yeah, on to the next stage. What have we got for the next stage? The next episode, we will be next episode we have air filter, mudguard, spray suppression. I don't know what that bit is. Fuel tanks, rear spray suppression, rear lights, all. So we're starting to get into the realms of lights now. So they're going to start breaking out the LEDs. So that'll be fun, got that to look forward to. But yes, I will get the next episode out to you as soon as I can. But thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this episode. Don't forget to subscribe for plenty more. And I look forward to seeing you guys in the next one. Cheers!